Hey everybody, I just tried to pop this with 240 volts and that was a great big fail. No smoke or anything, it just gave it up just like that. So I'm not too happy about that. Man, it's that freaking hot in here. Got my portable air conditioner going. I try and keep myself cool over where the work bench area is. Yep. It's that in the garage here and very humid out. So yeah, it's been a really warm and humid July and August. And that's pretty much why I haven't been making videos, because it's such a it's miserable to be outside in this stuff. And, I'm gonna try and get some more videos up, and hopefully, September will be a lot cooler, hopefully, and so since this thing didn't cooperate. Smash her up here, holy crap. And I really need to get a camera stand. This thing is being very resistant to be crushed. No, maybe not. Get off my camera. Things just fit in the garbage better this way when you do this. That's good enough. All right, thanks for watching.